Three, two, one.
Good afternoon, good morning, good night, wherever you are. So I starting this stream off a little bit different. I wanted to show you guys a few, a few little gains I made before the crash and got out. It's good to see, and honestly, none of this stuff is really either bothering me that much. I mean, it is what it is. It's up, it's down, it's down, it's up, it's up, it's down. It is what it is. But hey, got some good information for you today. Please hit subscribe and like the video. Also, Tom Zuzolo gave me a shout out today. I know I just butchered his name. He gave me a shout out in the community tab. So anybody coming over from Tom's stream, let me know in the comments, and I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button and you stuck around. Work with me here. I'm new to YouTube. I'm trying to show people what can be done. I also want people to see that they could change their lives, because I was living wrong years ago and I turned my shit around, and look where I'm at today, man, living it up. So the overall market cap today is sitting at $2.6 trillion, $151 billion 24-hour volume. Dominance is at the Bitcoin 43%, 19% ETH, and 107 way to do a transaction. Bitcoin is sitting at 60,400, Ethereum at 4,200, Bitcoin or Binance at 588, Cardano at 191, XRP 110, Dogecoin 24 cents, Shiba 4968, still sitting above that all-time high we was looking to get for so long. Crypto.com is at 42 cents. V-Chain was getting ready to blow up too, is at 15 cents. So let's get right into it, y'all. The Fear and Greed Index is sitting at extreme greed. Extreme greed. So at what point do we want to start considering selling a little bit? Well, I'm looking at these trends, and so over the past 12 months, say, may not look too good. You're like, dang, man, da, 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 da. But if you go back and you look here and you go in the past 30 days, look at this. You're still like, well, guess what? We're starting to trend up this past week. And the numbers we're here, boom, we were 67 crypto. Over now we're above 67. We're sitting at, and I don't know, it won't show me, but my point is that we're starting to trend upward again. Everyone's starting to get up, like, oh, hearing about crypto, the prices are moving. Don't mind the crash today. I kind of want to tell you a few reasons of what this crash could have been. It could have been, one, because the CFO from Twitter, he put out some tweet talking about they weren't ready to invest in a Bitcoin, blah, 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 blah. How Michael Saylor didn't get involved and tell him to shut his mouth, I don't know. But it's just FUD. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Don't listen. So number 2 is the China FUD. Again, they're going after the miners, Come on, man, China. How many fucking times you guys going to ban it? So the infrastructure bill. I mean, it could have played a little bit of effect on it, but like George said, we're not gonna see nothing from that till 2024, so that really ain't it. It dipped before Bitcoin makes like all the time. Anyways, I'm sorry, I kind of got on sidetracked. This is the same thing that happened in 2017. The same exact patterns. I'm not going to get into them because I'm not that good at the patterns like these guys are, but these are the same patterns and the same things happening. So, we're bouncing, doing this. In 2017, we went up 220%. That the weekend before it went up, it crashed down 40%, and then instantly went up 260%. So is this the big boom before the big shakeout, before everything starts going? I personally don't know. I think so. I'm bullish as ever. So look at Shib. So I got a couple scenarios here going on, and here's this same triangle that we hit a couple weeks ago, and it just couldn't go over. It couldn't go over. And as you can see, we've been hitting it. Boom. We hit it. It got declined. Came down here, went almost to this past the 618 level, and it went back up and tried again. Nope. And then we were trading sideways, trading sideways, trading sideways. Boom, we had a little bit of a crash. We literally hit the 618 right here on the Fibonacci. Boom, we took off. Boom, we hit that one. We came back down. Okay, you know, it's trading sideways. We hit it again. Trading sideways, hit it again, down. So now this is what I think. You know, we're on our way to right here, to the 318 or the 382 level, 0.382 level, which is about 6,500 on Shib. So I'm expecting maybe this to happen. You know, it'll go up a little bit. It's gonna bounce again off that. Boom, 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 and then guess what? It's to the moon, gentlemen and ladies. So I just wanted to show you guys this again. Look, you know, hey, Shib is being burnt all of the time. Bigger Entertainment, the first crypto record label, is a burning Shib all the time. Officially, look at this. The playlist right here is what started it all. They got new merch that also burns Shib. They've got playlists here that also burn Shib. Artists that burn Shib. Again, we already know this burn, 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 burn. Their goal is to get to 1% or 1 penny. 20% of the royalties donated to Burns. And I got that little nat. Got him. And so, you know, I just thought that was really cool. So AMC Theaters CEO clarifies when Shiba Inu will be added as payment method. After confirming that AMC Theaters will indeed add Shiba Inu for purchasing goods and services, the company, Adam Aron, CEO, has announced that the addition will come in the first few months of 2021. One of the world's largest movie theater chains, AMC, is highly bullish on crypto. It announced initially that it will enable its clients to purchase several different cryptos, and none of these were SHIB. And so, you know, the SHIB army started going crazy, like, yo, Adam Share over here, we're sending tweets. Get this shit together, bro. Like, get SHIB on there. Get SHIB on the list of cryptos that you're willing to take for us to come watch a movie. And guess what? It happened. BitPay decided to support Shiba Inu specifically because Adam Aron asked. So AMC can take Shiba Inu for online payments of movie tickets and concessions. To be the first AMC Theaters to be the first BitPay client to accept Shiba Inu in 60 to 120 days. So this is huge. Another Shiba, like mass adoption, not mass adoption, but hell, fuck it, we'll call it mass adoption. So check this out. Bitcoin just flashed this pattern for the first time that historically leads to a parabolic price rallies. Don't listen to that first time thing. I just lied. So, oh, and by the way, I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I say should be taken as such, and you should always do your own research. Okay, so one crypto analyst thinks that Bitcoin is mirroring past rallies and could be a cusp of achieving massive gains. The pseudonym's crypto market tech dev tells his 183,000 Twitter followers that Bitcoin's current technical resembles its late 2020 structure when the King crypto consolidated below 20 grand before blasting off to 64,000. Last time this cycle, Bitcoin tried to break all-time high on the weekly. It consolidated beneath for 3 or 4 weeks with the stock RSI maxed out before strong breakout to the upside, which, check this out, man. Check this out. Let's just do the daily. Look at where this RSI is at. Look at this. I mean, look at the daily or the 4 hour. It's even farther. That you can't get no underbought than that. Like, come on. Look at that. We are fucking loading up to get something big. So, you know, RSI, we know RSI is the analysis. Next compares the Bitcoin charts from 13, 17, and 21. According to TechDev, Bitcoin is currently grinding above the 1.618 level on the Fibonacci, which he notes is a historically significant level. During the 2003 and 17 bull cycles, Bitcoin ignited parabolic rallies after it took out the 1.618 Fibonacci area. Are you ready for what's coming? I personally am not betting on this time being different from any other year for Bitcoin. And so, you know, here we were, 618. Oh, as soon as we broke this 618, we went parabolic. So, again, you know, I'm not the best on technical analysis, but it looks like we just broke the 618 not too long ago. Look at that. We're getting ready to. It just smacked that band. It's getting ready to take off. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment. Tell me some shit. Let's go. I want to hear something right now. I don't care what it is. I like to smoke pot and trade cryptocurrency. What do you like to do? Finally, he highlights 4 separate 2-week indicators from the Bitcoin bull run to indicate when he would consider turning bearish. You'll see me flip bearish on Bitcoin as these 2-week indicators approach their critical zones. If you flip sooner, that is fine. It will just have to be in contrast to all of these. Everyone with respective data and supported these thesis deserves respect themselves. And this is, what he looks for. He looks for, all the tops to come up, to come up, to come up. So about where we're at right now, we got all that room to get back there. All that room to get back there. But once these are all like that and we're at all-time highs, it might be time to sell. And, personally, I'm in for the long haul. You guys already know that. So daily earnings of typical Axie Infinity player fall below the minimum wage in the Philippines. So this year, the Sky Mavis crafted blockchain game Axie Infinity has seen incredible growth and has recently surpassed 3 billion in all-time sales. However, researchers at Navitic explained in a recent study that Axie Infinity players called scholars are seeing daily earnings drop, and many have seen earnings dip below the minimum wage of the countries like the Philippines. But, my God, who would have thought these people would have been mad about not making minimum wage on a game? The Ethereum-based blockchain game Axie Infinity, which I've already gone over videos, if you go back into my playlist, you'll see that there is a video on Axie Infinity. The game was developed by a studio called Sky Mavis. As of this week, metrics from DAP Radar indicate the game has seen 2.3 billion in non-fungible token sales. Mavis launched the game in 2018, and the company is headquartered in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Bitcoin News has covered the project on various occasions, and just recently, Sky Mavis revealed the launch of Axie Infinity's native decentralized exchange DEX called Katana, which is going to be huge. There's huge potential with Katana. They're saying that this could be where the next smart contracts all come out of, and it could be the next big thing. So, hey, they do sell Katana on KuCoin, which I had some Katana, but I got crushed last night in that crash, so I had to sell my Katana to get back in on some leverage. You know what I mean? I got to have that leverage. So, okay, the Navic researcher alongside Jimmy Stone, Aaron Bush, Habara Kabu, published a study on NFT gaming and discussed whether or not Axie Infinity was an infinite opportunity or an infinite peril. Dowsett revealed some of the report's findings on Twitter and discussed the project at length in a thread. After months of incredible growth, the daily earnings of a typical player of Axie Infinity have fallen below the Philippine minimum wage line for all but the highest ranking players, and even then seen earnings decline since August. Scholars are players, typically in developing countries, who cannot afford to purchase Axies, which are necessary to play the game. They are loaned these assets by sponsors who take a cut of their earnings. The research report is extremely in-depth and discusses the many developments surrounding the enormous growth of Axie Infinity. So researchers, also the growth spurt somewhat decelerating. Decelerating? I don't know why that doesn't look right. So Navic researchers explained that the team has also raised capital in a couple of seed rounds from investors. The finding also notes that Axie Infinity's daily active users has skyrocketed from 1.45 to 1.95 million daily. The report details that the Philippines and Venezuela are the top 2 most popular regions worldwide. Meanwhile, researchers say that the game's growth spurt might be slowing down. The month-over-Dow trends shows that Axie Infinity's growth spurt is somewhat decelerating. I don't know why that word just looks stupid. So, it is possible that as long as Axie Infinity enables its scholar-dominated player base to earn more income, that they would doing normal jobs in their home countries, long-term retention and DAO growth will continue to remain healthy. All in one, Axie Infinity's growth spurt is decelerating, although still positive, and a majority of its player base treats the game like a daily job. So I thought that was pretty cool, and I figured I would share it with you. I'm not even going to cover this, I'm just going to say that they are putting in a bill, and they're going to work on this, and they will get this brokerage thing worked out. So don't panic, don't sell, don't listen to none of this shit. It is all FUD. And, hey, hit that subscribe button, comment, like, all that. Thank you.
So, if you made it all the way to the end and you would like one of these coins, all you got to do is put in the comments right now, send me a coin, and I'll comment back. Get a hold of you, get your address, and get one of these sent right out to you. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you.